13 Nepalese Gurkha who recipient of the Victoria Cross, the highest and most precious award for gallantry in the face of the enemy that can be awarded to British and Commonwealth force. Kulveer Thapa Moga. He was the first Gurkha awarded for the Victoria Cross. He was born on 15 December 1889 in Nepal. Thapa was in 2nd Battalion, 3rd Queen Alexander's on Gurkha Rifles, British Indian Army. During the Battle of First World War, his survival story is the courage, sacrifice, and friendship earning him the Victoria Cross. He achieved the rank of Havildar. Karan Bahadur Rana. He was born on 21 December 1898 in Kulmi, Nepal. He was in 3rd Queen Alexander's on Gurkha Rifle in British Indian Army. During the First World War, in spite of bombs thrown at him and heavy fire from both flanks, he opened fire and knocked out the enemy machine gun crew. Then switching his fire onto the enemy bombers and riflemen in front of him, he silenced their fire. Rifleman Karan Bahadur Rana kept his gun in action and showed the greatest coolness in removing defects which on two occasions prevent the gun from firing. During the remainder of the day, he did magnificent work, and when a withdrawal was ordered, he assisted with covering fire until the enemy were close on him. He displayed throughout a very high standard of valor and devotion to duty for the most bravery actions when he got the Victoria Cross. Bhagwan Singh Rai. He was born on 24 April 1920 in Okhalnuga, Nepal. He was in the 2nd Battalion, 5th Royal Gurkha Rifles in British Indian Army. During the Second World War, he led his section in an attack on one of two posts which had been taken by the enemy. He subsequently tackled and accelerated bunkers single-handed before killing the enemy. Due to his action, the enemy became so demoralized that they fled and the second post was to be captured. Because of his bravery, he achieved the Victoria and he got the rank of honorary captain. Ban Bhakta Guru. He was born in Gorkha, Nepal on September 1921. He was a rifleman in the 3rd Battalion, the 2nd Gorkha Rifle, British Indian Army. During the Second World War, a section was pinned down by heavy enemy fire and was also being subjected to sniping from a tree. Rifleman Gurung killed the sniper. Later, when the section was again attacked, he dashed forward under continuous fire, personally clearing enemy foxes, and he also silenced a light machine gun. He repeated an enemy counter-attack on the captured bunker with heavy loss. His action in clearing this position was decisive in capturing the objective. Due to his bravery, he got the Victoria Cross and achieved the rank of honorary Havildar. Gajay Ghale. He was born on 1st August 1980 in Gorkha, Nepal. He was a Havildar in the 2nd Battalion of the 5th Royal Gurkha Rifle in the British Indian Army. During the Second World War, he was in the charge of the platoon of young soldiers engaged in attacking a strong enemy position. Wounded in the arm, chest, and leg, nevertheless continued to lead assault after assault, encouraging his men by shouting the Gorkhas' battle cry. Spurred on by the irresistible will of their leader, the platoon stormed and captured the position. Because of his bravery, he awarded the Victoria Cross and later he achieved the rank of honorary captain. Ganju Lama. He was born in Sikkim border between Nepal and India. He was a rifleman in the 1st Battalion, 7th Gurkha Rifle in the British Indian Army. During the Second World War, throughout the action, rifleman Ganju Lama, although very seriously wounded, saw a complete disregard for his own personal safety, outstanding devotion to duty, and the determination to destroy the enemy, which was an example and inspiration to all rank. It was solely due to his prompt action and brave conduct that a most critical situation was averted. All positions regret and very heavy casualties inflicted on the enemy. Due to his bravery, he awarded for the Victoria Cross and achieved the rank of Major Subedar. Netra Bahadur Thapa. He was born on 8 January 1960 at Lomjung, Nepal. Thapa was an acting Subedar of the 2nd Battalion of the 5th Royal Gurkha Rifle in the British Indian Army. During the Second World War, he was in the command of a small isolated post when the enemy's army attacked Impol. The men, inspired by the leader's example, held their ground and the enemy were beaten off, but casualties were very heavy and reinforcements were requested. When this arrived some hours later, they also suffered from heavy casualties. Thapa retired the reinforcement ammunition in surmounted offensive grenades and Khukuris until he was killed. Because of his action of bravery, he awarded for the Victoria Cross. Lal Bahadur Thapa. He was born on February 1, 1906 in Parbat, Nepal. He was a Subedar in the 1st Battalion, 2nd Gurkha Rifle in the British Indian Army when the following day took place, for which he was awarded for the Victoria Cross. During the Second World War, he was taking command of two sections and made his first contact with the enemy at the foot of the pathway winding off a narrow cliff which was thickly studded with enemy force. The garrison of the outpost were all killed by the Subedar and his men by Khukuris, and the next machine gun post were dealt with similarly. This officer then continued the fight where many enemy killed and some are fled. Such secure advance by the whole division was made possible because of Lal Bahadur Thapa. Sher Bahadur Thapa. He was born on November 2, 1921 in Tanoor, Nepal. He was a rifleman in the 1st Battalion of the 9th Gorkha Rifle, British Indian Army. During the Second World War, Rifleman Sher Bahadur Thapa and his section commander were afterwards badly wounded, charges and silenced an enemy machine gun. The rifleman Sher Bahadur Thapa then went on alone to the exposed part of the ridge where, ignoring a hair of bullet, he silenced more machine gun cover and withdrew and rescued the wounded man before he was killed. Due to his bravery, he achieved the Victoria Cross. Ram Bahadur Limbu. He was born on 8 July 1939 in Dehradun, East Nepal. He was in the 2nd Battalion, trained Princess Mary on Gorkha Rifle, British Army. Lance Corporal Ram Bahadur Limbu was holding a position on the top of a jungle covered hill. He went forward a lot of enemy machine gun position. The sentry opened fire on him, whereupon Limbu rushed forward and killed them. He went under heavy fire to drag his comrades to safety and to retrieve their gun, with which he charged down and killed many of the enemy. Due to his bravery, he was awarded for the Victoria Cross. Thaman Gurung. He was born on October 2, 1924 in Gorkha, Nepal. He was a rifleman in the 1st Battalion, 5th Royal Gorkha Rifles in the British Indian Army. During the Second World War, he was killed while escorting for a fighting patrol. He came across enemy soldier, dug into the mountain side and repeatedly fired and threw grenades at them. Finally took over the retreat of his section. He ran to the top of the hill, and although he well knew that his action meant almost certain death, stood up on the bullet sweeps to meet in full view of the enemy and opened fire at the nearest enemy position. Because of his action of bravery, he got the Victoria Cross. Lachiman Gurung. He was born on 13 December 1979 at Chittagong, Nepal. He joined the British Indian Army in December 1940, permitted to enlist in wartime. Also, he was only 4 feet 11 inches tall and so below the peacetime minimum height. He was a rifleman in the 4th Battalion at Gorkha Rifles. He awarded for the Victoria Cross because he only one Gorkha who took on 200 soldiers with only one hand during his action in the Second World War. Later, he achieved the rank of Havildar. Tul Bahadur Pun. He was born on 23rd March 1923 at Magdi, Nepal. Pun was a rifleman in the 3rd Battalion, 6th Gorkha Rifle in the Indian Army. During the Second World War in Burma, he saved the life of dozens of his comrades. Because of his bravery, he achieved the rank of Honorary Lieutenant. Then he awarded for the Victoria Cross and in additional Burma Star Award.